Ever wish you could more effectively use data when you are faced with making a decision or spearheading a new project? This microcourse on data-informed decision-making through Career Plus will help you use statistics to make decisions. In Unit 1, you will develop a strong foundation of study design basics. Thinking about your profession or current workplace, you will identify one issue that could be addressed or one area that could be improved. You will analyze data related to this issue throughout the microcourse. In Unit 2, we will learn about the statistical tools of randomness and probability and how they can help you let the data, and not your bias or expectations, inform your decisions. Unit 3 will focus on describing data both graphically and numerically so that you can discuss the why behind your decision making. In Unit 4, you will learn how to execute the fundamentals of statistical testing and use foundations of statistics to make an informed decision. By the end of this course, you will analyze the data you've been gathering throughout the microcourse related to the issue you identified in Unit 1 to make a meaningful decision. This course will provide you with the tools to make smarter, data-informed decisions. Register today at clark.edu/careerplus.